What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and today I'm showing you what to do when a schematic symbol doesn't exist in Flux. So let's get into it. When I'm creating a new part, I like to look through the library and find one that is as close to the part I need as possible. Then all I have to do is fork it and tweak the values or the footprint and I'm done. But what if the schematic symbol for your part doesn't exist within Flux? What do you do? Before throwing your computer in a dumpster, let me show you how easy it is to create a totally custom symbol. I'm using Adobe Illustrator because that's what I have and what I'm comfortable with, but you can use any vector illustration tool. Since the schematic symbols in Flux need to be white, I'm going to start by creating a dark background and locking it so I don't accidentally move it. Now I can start by drawing a line. Make sure to change the color so you can see it. Every object, whether it's a line or a shape, needs to have a width of 1 pixel. For example, if I draw a circle, I don't want any fill. I just want the stroke of 1 pixel. Now I'm just going to group these together and copy it. And we're done with our custom Flux capacitor symbol.
Great Scott!
To export it, I simply select the whole symbol and export as an SVG. To upload it to Flux, select Add in the Assets panel and find the file we just exported. As you can see, this is set as the default symbol. Now I'll just publish it to the library. When I pull it into another project, you can see that the terminals are all in the center. Flux uses a standard coordinate system with the center of the symbol being 0. By changing the X and Y values, we can align the points properly. All we need to do is select the terminal and change the value of the symbol pin position. Unfortunately, there's not really a great way to do this beyond guessing, but I figured out these values previously. Anyway, once we get them all lined up, we can publish the part one last time and start using it. That's how you create a custom symbol and import it into Flux. Let me know if this was helpful by giving this video a like. Also, make sure to subscribe for more content like this every week.